Hi and welcome everyone, Daniela here again, and today I want to show you my latest layout created with the February main kit. I also used the embellishment kit and one of those papers from the Pocket Life kit and the yellow mustard seed shimmers spray. And this is going to be a sketch based layout, so this is the sketch that I worked with. We have three big squares and then flowers, tags and some borders. And I want to reduce the sketch a bit so that it fits my style. I mostly have some white space on my pages, so I want to reduce the sketch and shift everything together a bit. So I decided to work with a picture and two of those pretty color block squares that we find in the embellishment kit. And there is such a beautiful silver foil on those squares. So we have little words here. I picked unique and real life. And yeah, this is the basis of my page. So the three squares are the main elements, and now I just ripped off a stripe from one of those pattern papers included in the Pocket Life kit and place it under those squares. And this is the structure of my page, and now I can add some flowers. I fuzzy cut flowers from this pretty paper, so we have plenty of use in the papers this month. We can do a lot of fuzzy cutting, and these flowers also match the die cut pack that you get in the embellishment kit, so you can use tons of flowers and throw them around all over your pages. And you see that I just add some of those here and place them behind my picture, and just a few elements on top of those color block squares. And now it's time to use some tags. We have this package including a lot of different tags in the embellishment kit as well, and I just use some of them here. We also have tags on the sketch, and you see that I decided to have a big floral cluster behind the picture, and I want to use tags in two areas. So here we have the big tag behind the picture, and then three more I used behind those squares. And now I also ripped off another paper stripe because I feel that I need another color here, so I add a blue stripe, and then I can start using some more embellishments and see what else I've got in my kit. So you see, this is what the sketch told me. I have those two borders, those two paper stripes. Then I have those three squares and the flowers and the tags, and now I just add some embellishments of my choice. So here I used one of those circles included in the die cuts with all the tags, and now I also want to build a title by working with those vellum alphabet pieces. And I want to use the word joy and add just a tiny little detail to the title later, because on the sketch it says there are two titles, one big long title and another smaller one. So here, first of all, this is my big title, so the alphas are quite large, and I now want to use something else here on top of those. So I just flip through my embellishments. So first of all, I take a look at the chipboards, but here I will just use this little tab, which is perfect for adding the date. And yeah, first of all, I wasn't quite sure where to put it, but in the end, I decided to have it here under the picture as well. And now I also want to take a look at the puffy stickers. And the puffy stickers have some phrases which we can use um, to add more details. And yeah, I'm going for one of those circle phrases, and then I also want to have a stripe, and this is placed here on top of those vellum alphas, and also I want to use this tiny little heart. Puffy stickers are always a nice addition to all the paper-based embellishments because yeah, they are kind of a different texture and add more dimension. And this also is true for those foam stickers, but then I decided to just add some journaling, and yeah, I'm going for those glittery foam stickers my next project. Now it's just the journaling, and then I also want to add the date here on the little tab. And this is a clean and easy way to add the date. And yeah, this is what my layout looks like in the end. I had lots of fun playing with the sketch, and you see that it is versatile and you can pick elements that you want to choose, and you can also reduce the sketch the way it fits your needs. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again. I hope you liked my version or interpretation of the sketch. Have fun scrapping and take care. Bye bye.